Guys, first take a look at these type of video. So right now, these video are going crazy on social, and channel like this and this are gaining thousands of followers and millions of views by posting this type of content. And if you want a quick growth in this AI trend, then watch this full video. And subscribe me because I upload daily viral AI trend video tutorial on this channel. But first, take a look at this video which I made in just 2 minutes. So to create this type of video, first open this prompt document from the link. Now copy this full master prompt because you don't want to change or edit anything in this. And one more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. Now simple open any chatbot. I'm using ChatGPT. After that, paste your prompt and hit enter. Now ChatGPT will provide you some product idea, or you use your own. Now just simply type the number of your selected product and now hit enter. Now ChatGPT will provide you a final rearranged master prompt to use in any AI video generation tool. But as for now, I am using free tool, open Flow AI and select video option and choose Omni Flash as your video model with your other desired setting. Once everything is ready, simply paste your prompt and hit generate. Now AI will start generating your video. Now let's watch the result together. And one more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want a video on any other topic, just drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.